Quote, you guys ain't moving enough. Alright. Yo, everybody got demons, right? Am I the only one though? Nah. All of you guys got your own demons. I dance with my mom. Yeah. Yeah, it goes inside, under the snow. If I was the falling, my head would be cold. So it screams as I wake up at night. Yeah, away from my home, trying to reach the light button and grab me and pulls me back into the house. I talk in my sleep, saving me. I dream in my dreams, save me to keep it repeating again and again. Feels like I am watching the movie. Oh my God, I am in that movie. Sometimes the skins can be curses, but I light it up the dark time and still this coalish justice. I'm along the break in churches, but I believe in God and I do. People say demons just humans, but I've always had my own ways. Some can't be just metaphors, and for a few it's all true.